What is going on? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here, you want to learn about crypto, NFTs, DeFi, metaverse, and all those kind of stuff, futures trading, spot trading, make sure you hit the like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. Altcoins are going to the moon, guys. Bitcoin is breaking out, and also Ethereum is breaking out, consolidating on the top level between major resistance and support. Let's check what is happening with the overall crypto market today. All right, so Bitcoin right now is trading at 24,500, breaking out. We need to confirm the daily candle close above the resistance trend line to confirm the breakout. Next target, as what we have discussed previously, guys, there's no resistance above. The next resistance will be around 28,000 to 30,000 level. There is no much trade on that level, as what we have discussed before. When Bitcoin dropped from 30,000 directly down to 17,000, there's no support in the middle. Right now, if Bitcoin is going to break the resistance trend line, there's no resistance above. The next resistance, strong resistance, is around $28,000 to $30,000. So watch out. Ethereum is currently trading, hovering on top of support and resistance. If you have been following me on Twitter, I have sent a newsletter today. If you have subscribe to my weekly newsletter, I've sent a newsletter for Bitcoin, but unfortunately I'm only able to send one. So I have posted a chart for Ethereum, the possible target and possible support and resistances for Ethereum. BNB, one of the strong movers. I have posted BNB yesterday on Twitter. Before the pump, guys, I have posted to watch out for the BNB ecosystem. After BNB, the money will move to the ecosystem like Pancake Swap or Cake, and check out some other ecosystem. The money will be distributed in this ecosystem for BNB. Not a financial advice. XRP, also one of the strong movers. XRP and XLM moves hand in hand, so check out XLM. I have seen XRP move up today. I haven't checked XLM. We'll check it out today if They have similar action always. When XRP pump, it will be followed by XLM. So watch out for XLM. ADA is also one of the strong movers, 11% up. Most of the altcoins are pumping crazy, guys. I have posted, when Ethereum was pumping, I have posted a chart of money flow for crypto. So starting with large caps, the money will flow to low caps or to the medium caps to the lower caps. Right now we are seeing like smaller cap cryptos that are just popping left and right. Rose right now is just going to the moon, guys. Solana also, everything just goes to the moon right now. And I have seen a lot of posts about new ATH. So we'll check, are we going to the moon really, or is this just another bull trap in this bear market? So let's check the overall trend. Did we break any structure right now? If we break the structure, then we might be going to the moon for a short period of time. So let's check the if Bitcoin, Ethereum, did any structure was broken. So let's check today. Dogecoin up by 6.6%. Polkadot, oh my goodness. Polkadot, guys, is the third crypto that I'm holding. Third largest crypto that I'm holding. The all-time high, previous all-time high of Polkadot, if you are a member of our VIP, we have long-term portfolio there that I've shared in our VIP group. You can feel free to check it out. There are a lot of cryptos even right now. For example, Bitcoin in the long term, guys, the current price right now is still very cheap for Bitcoin. The previous all-time high was 64,000. If you have bought at 20,000, that's 3x in just couple of years. If we're going to hit the all-time high, you will not get this kind of return even in any banks. You will not be able to find this kind of return. So the safest, still the safest for me, is Bitcoin, followed by Ethereum. That's my second as well in my portfolio, followed by Polkadot. It depends on you, not a financial advice. I could be totally wrong, but I have discussed this previously. The previous all-time high of Ethereum was around $4,000. I have bought Ethereum at $1,000. If it goes lower, I don't really care. I can continue to DCA, but $1,000 from 4,000, that's already 4x if Ethereum is going to reach the previous all-time high. And if you have checked the previous cycles or the previous bull market, guys, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and the rest of the cryptos, or those are the safest for me in my personal opinion. It always breaks the all-time high and it reached another all-time high. So if Ethereum reached the previous all-time high, that's already 4x. I'm already happy with that. Bitcoin 3x from $20,000, 64,000, that's already 3x. And if it goes higher, that's already a bonus. So 3x for Bitcoin, 4x for Ethereum. Polkadot, guys, right now it's trading at $8. I have bought my Polkadot at 6, average 6-ish something in this 2021 cycle. In the previous cycle, I've sold mostly my cryptos. You know, every cycle I've sold. I'm selling partial cryptos. I'm saving the rest to the moon. So in this pump, I have sold one of my holdings, Matic. I've sold everything because it has reached like $1 and bought it like very, very cheap. So I think it would be wise to take some profit because most of my cryptos are in my hardware wallet and I'm too lazy to transfer it. Polygon Matic is in my spot in Binance. I can sell it anytime, and I would like to buy it if it goes back lower. So right now Polygon Matic is trading at 0.95, and again, guys, for Polkadot right now it's trading at $8, and the previous all-time high was 55. Imagine, this could turn 7x. So if you have been holding large part of my portfolio, 90% of my portfolio is for long term. and only 10% is allocated for futures trading, and 1%, mostly my position is around 1 to 0.5, 1 to 3%, and that's very small part of my portfolio. Futures trading is fun to do it daily. If it's stressing you out, maybe you're over leveraged or over investing, but futures trading, it's supposed to be fun, guys. Also, not a financial advice, AVAX is also up. Mostly are green, guys, including my new chill traders cap here. Green screen. It's you cannot see the candle and the arrow up, but mostly are up. I will be giving some of this away. I will be giving some of this away to the subscribers of the channel, to the followers on Twitter. I will be giving out this chill traders cap, and jacket is coming soon. All right, so Ethereum Classic is also one of the crazy strong movers, now at number 19, guys. 54%, more than 100% in the last week. 54% in the last 7 days. And we have Litecoin at number 21, kicked out from number 20 and still trading at number 12. I have some Litecoin. You know, I'm accepting Litecoin as a payment in the VIP, so I am saving Litecoin for long term. My kid just throw some tantrums. Crypto bubble, guys. We have right now Filecoin popping up like 41%. ICP, we have ICP trading at 19%, up by 19%. We have LDO, we have YFI up by 39%. INGEN, these are right now small caps. Small caps, guys. Small caps are popping out left and right now. Later, I'm going to show you the Shams Ula. What's up, brother? What's up? How's the trade going? We have Opartib watching the stream. The first, we have Andres Jaworski. Hello. We have Rashad. Hello, mate. How are you doing? Do you still expect ETH and BTC to bounce back anytime soon? Let's check the chart later. I have shared my some of the analysis in my newsletter, and also I've posted several charts for Ethereum on my Twitter account. I have posted the daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, and the lower time frame, 1-hour time frame for Polkadot. So welcome, guys. Welcome to the live stream, and we are going to check what will be the next narrative. Are we going to the moon? I have seen several tweets right now from big channels, big influencers. Right now they are going to they're telling all-time high. So, but based on the previous cycle, guys, based on the previous cycles, we are going to the next bull run after the halving. So halvings will be on 2024. So let's check. Let's just chill. Don't FOMO. Don't panic. There are always bear pumps. So I will show you, if we still have time, I will show you some of the bear pumps in the previous cycle. This is totally normal. We are not going to the moon anytime soon, and there will be corrections along the way. So back to the where's the chat? One sec. Where is the chat? Mystery history. We have Da Vinci watching the stream. One sec. All right. So, Bitcoin long and short position. Let's check the amount of liquidations today first before we check the long and short position. We have for Bitcoin the past 24 hours, very small amount compared to yesterday, 47 million. What is the current volume right now? It's very low. Oh, 160. No. Bitcoin only 47 million the past 24 hours. I think that's very small. For Ethereum, is this correct? It seems very small. The volume is very small. 46 million is very small, guys. What is happening? Is this normal? 11 million the past 24 hours? We don't have volume right now. Normally, guys, for this kind of pump, there will be around 100 million in the past 24 hours. For Ethereum, there should be around above 100 million. But right now, 46 million and 46 million. Also, ETC, 11 million. We have very low volume. Let's check the charts. Let's check first the long and short position. I think Dusk has high potential right now. Let's check Dusk as well. Again, guys, I will show you the chart for the money flow. I have posted this when Ethereum is pumping. All the other cryptos are not yet moving, guys. The first that move in the market is Ethereum. I have posted the money flow. Started from large cap, that's Ethereum, moving on to the medium caps, moving on to the lower caps right now, and going back to Bitcoin. The last thing that will pump is Bitcoin, and after Bitcoin, the money flows back to fiat, if it's correct. So, and by the way, before we proceed with the chart, guys, weekend PA and MMs. So, before we proceed with the charts, all the information provided in this channel are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Cryptocurrency is highly volatile. Only invest what you can afford to lose and always manage your risk. Don't get greedy, guys. Don't get greedy. You're not going to get rich overnight. Instead, you can be broke overnight if you FOMO into the some of the altcoins, because if you're trading futures, or even in spot futures, let's talk about futures. If you're trading in futures, right now altcoins are pumping like 100%, guys. You will not be able to stomach the amount of losses if you go the opposite way. If you forgot to set a stop loss, or even if you have stop loss, guys, this amount of volatility will skip the stop loss. And once that happens, you will get liquidated. 100% pump is not normal. Using even 5x or 10x leverage multiplied by 100, that's already 510 or 1000% using low leverage. So back to the Bitcoin long and short position. Yeah, green screen. I don't know how to. I have green screen right now, so this is supposed to be green, guys. Let me show it to you. One sec. I don't know how to show it, but there's supposed to be green there. Green candle and green arrow. I will update my background soon. I'll put some decorations, some frames there so that you can see my very nice cap here. So back to the long and short position, guys. 5-minute time frame for BTC. We have 56% long position. So mostly right now, shorter time frame, 5-minute time frame, mostly are betting on long position for Bitcoin. 15-minute time frame, we have 58% short. So mostly are betting on short 15-minute time frame. In the past 15 minutes, most of the position are in short. 60% are in short. In the past 30 minutes, oh my goodness, everyone is short in the market right now. 58% shorts in the past 30 minutes. This means that in the past 30 minutes, there are 58% who are holding a short position. And 1 hour time frame, we have 50% long. 4 hour time frame, these are the I think these are still the holders of the pump. 52% 4 hour time frame. 12 hour time frame, we have 52% on long position. In the past 24 hours, we have 50-50 for Bitcoin. And for Ethereum, past 24 hours, we have 50% short. This is very important, guys. When you're trading, always check the amount of long and short position in the market. If there are some imbalances in this position, like for example, we have like 96% or 90% short, market makers are watching the amount of positions and liquidity in the market. If they could move the market one time and liquidate it, they will do it. Ethereum, past 4 hours, we have 51%. And 1 hour, past 1 hour, we have almost 50-50. Let's check the current position. The past, almost 50-50, even in the lower time frame for Ethereum. So let me show you some of my analysis for Bitcoin and Ethereum, guys. I've posted one newsletter today for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I hope you have checked it. I hope you are subscribed to my weekly newsletter. If you want to subscribe, guys, to my weekly newsletter, I have with me here. You can subscribe by going to my Twitter profile, and you can subscribe here. So one of the posts today, look at this move, guys, from Rose. We have the support trend line here at 0.048. Right now, Rose is near the resistance at 0.084. I think Rose is going to do a consolidation. Once you see consolidation here on top, and if this level here will hold, next resistance is at 0.12. I think this is more than 100%. Oh, you see that one? Trying to break the resistance right now. And this is another 40% pump from the first resistance. We don't have much trade in this level. So I think if Rose is going to break this resistance here on this level, guys, don't FOMO again. Don't FOMO in this kind of pump. This is very, 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 very dangerous. If you don't know how to trade futures, don't even try. So again, for waves trying to break right now the resistance, guys, I have shared this a while ago on Twitter, just a few minutes ago. So trying to break the resistance right now, we have a support trend line here. So if you know how to trade, if you know basic TA, you know that every time it hits the support, this is the place where you need to buy. So for Rose, it hits the support. You have actually 3 chances here: 1, 2, and 3. Support 1, 2, 3, confirm support here, and then pump directly. How many percent is this pump? 78% from the support trend line, break the resistance, and another resistance right now, trying to break the resistance at 0.086. Next resistance will be at 0.12 for Rose. So let me share with you Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we'll check some of the altcoins today. Can we see lower time frames for Rose to see if there is a consolidation? Let's check. All right, so let's just check very quickly for Rose. Let's check Bitcoin, Ethereum. We have Link, ADA, and Polkadot for today. And also, guys, if you have been following me, I have kept on repeating. I was actually live when Bitcoin was dropping down to 17,000 level. And you know, my bottom price for Bitcoin is around 20,000. That's the range. Worst case, if we go on recession, will be $14,000. So for Rose, guys, this is still in an overall downtrend. So what you can see here, we have support consolidating here and then pump back up. Another consolidation zone here for Rose. So if you're trading futures, this small move is already a big gains if you are trading leverage. Another here, support consolidation here, pump back to the next level. Next consolidation zone was around this level, but a little bit of fake out to the downside, and then trying to break right now the resistance here. This is still in an overall uptrend, guys. The trend is your friend, always, always. So if you want to short, don't try to short it anywhere here. Don't try to short it unless you're doing scalping. If you're doing scalping, you can scalp small moves here, but if you want to catch the long-term trend for short position, wait for break of structure. So for example, for this one here, if you're looking at the lower time frame, there is no break of structure here. This is still in an overall uptrend. So if you want to enter or if you want to trade long position for Rose, just not a financial advice, guys. Wait for the price to revisit the support trend line and also to go near this EMAs here. This EMAs will be your guide in catching the waves for long position and also for short position. So if you want to catch the waves, if you want to do scalping here, wait for the price to consolidate. Like for example here, consolidating on this level, another consolidation here, consolidation with a fake out, but still the uptrend is still intact. So this is still in an overall uptrend. You can get like small correction back to the support trend line, but as long as the structure is still intact, this is still in an overall uptrend. The trend is your friend always. So another here, I have posted this money flow when Ethereum is pumping. So large caps, that was Ethereum. First mover of this pump is Ethereum, guys. And then we move on to the mid caps, which are, you can see, we have BNB, we have some of the altcoins, medium caps, and now we are in the low cap section, guys. So the next, if this is correct, this was been proven correct in the previous cycle. So if this is still correct, we move to the low caps, and then we might see some micro caps pump, like some of your NFT play to earn or some new projects right there. Money will flow to the low caps, medium caps, or even micro caps before going back to Bitcoin. And when Bitcoin pump, then the money will transfer back to fiat, and then the cycle repeats. So right now, we have seen some of the altcoin move, and Bitcoin started to move today from 23,000 trading, consolidating on 23,000 level. We have seen Bitcoin pump right now to 24,500, trading at currently at 24,500. YFI is booming. So here YFI is up by 46%. 36% when we started the stream. Right now 46%. So that's what I told you guys. XRP, you can see right now XRP started to move. Where is XLM? XRP is always XLM is always part of XRP, so they move together. XLM here is starting to move. Let's check XLM. Maybe we can catch the pump. So that's for the money cycle. Here I have posted this. You see this consolidation above. Bitcoin was trading. Here's the Bitcoin chart. What happened to my chart? I deleted my So Bitcoin a while ago was actually hovering here on this level, $23,700. We have consolidation here, trying to consolidate. We have some small fake out to the downside. It's actually I thought it was forming a diamond formation. Diamond formation is a continuation of a if it's coming from the downside, this is a reversal pattern, but it broke out to the upside. It's supposed to be, if this is a diamond pattern, supposed to be it's going to be break out to the downside, but instead this was consolidating here, 23,700 area, and then a small fake out to the downside, bounce back up, and then continues to consolidate here, 23,700, and then pump back up. Right now, the level of consolidation is here. This will be the support for Bitcoin, 24,337. If this continues to hold, maybe we can see another pump back up slowly for Bitcoin here, if this support is going to hold. So right now, most of our cryptos are moving on a partial or small moves. So if you want to keep, or if you want to risk, if you want to join the pump, what you can do is you can still manage your risk. There's two types you can do. This is 1%. So the next support was around here. If you want to be, if you're a little bit of a risk taker, you can even adjust it until 22 or the previous wick here. But if you want to be safe, you can just put in the previous support here, below the previous support. So you can risk 2.8 to 3%. Consolidation here. You can set a long position for quick trades, only scalp trades. This is still in an overall uptrend, guys. Even this correction is part of the overall uptrend for Bitcoin. So there is no break of trend yet. So let me delete this one first. So for Bitcoin, is what you can see, we have higher low, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher high, no break of structure yet, guys. So it's still in an overall uptrend. So we could see some small pullback at around this area, but still, if this support or if this uptrend doesn't break any structure, this is still in an overall uptrend. Again, the trend is your friend. So you might see some correction, but that is not a confirmed correction or confirmed move to the downside or revisit the previous low if there's no break of structure. Right now, there is still, Bitcoin is still trading higher high and higher low, no break of structure. So even if this pulls back up to 22,700, this is still forming higher lows. Once you see a break of structure, then that's the time you can enter a short position, breakdown. This is just a tip if you want to do short position. So once you see a breakout or break of support or break of trend or formation of lower low, wait for a little bit of pump or retest of previous support, and then that's the time you can enter short position for a further move to the downside. But right now, only scalping. You can do small scalps along the way. So here I posted this Bitcoin consolidating at 23,700 right now. Bitcoin is trading at $24,500. Here's for Ethereum, guys. So here's one post for Ethereum. Let's check if the chart is still the same. BNB going to 1K. Yeah, what is this? All this chat. Right. So let's check Ethereum, guys. If it's still trading. Ethereum still trading in between the local resistance turned into a support and the major resistance and breakout point. Watch out for this level, guys. Still, Ethereum is trying to break this resistance at 1768. Once Ethereum break this one, this will go crazy. So here we have a major resistance here, but we will expect some traffic along the way here. If Ethereum breaks this major resistance or breakout point, I'm still expecting traffic at this level up to $2,000. Again, Ethereum is still in an overall uptrend. So higher lows, we have some lower lows here, or almost the same level. No formation of lower low, no break of structure. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher high. This is almost on the same level. So still, this is in an overall uptrend. No break of structure yet. Retest, no retest yet. We have some retest of support here. And in my previous live, we have discussed that if Ethereum is going to pull back, this could be the bouncing point here. From this level up to this level here, 1,284 will be the bounce back level or the support level. So Ethereum managed to hold this as a support, this level 1357, and right now it's pumping and consolidating in between this local resistance and major resistance and breakout point at 1764. So here's the tweet today. Ethereum still consolidating in between the major resistance line at 1170 and 1660 level. We have small bearish divergence formation in the daily time frame. So we have bearish divergence here. Here. Right now, I think it's broken. It's right now. Let's see. This is the 4-hour time frame. So the daily time frame. Let's check if there's still the if we can still spot the bearish divergence. In the lower time frame, we have RSI here forming. Let's check if this will be invalidated today. So higher high, while the RSI is forming higher lows here. So if we can get a correction, this will be a confirmed bearish divergence. And also in the 4-hour time frame, another chart here. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, we have weak bearish divergence type C, flat formation in the RSI while showing higher high. So we have higher high while we have formation of flat RSI here. So this is a weak bearish divergence. And in the lower time frame, we have bullish pattern here. Falling broadening wedge is a bullish pattern. Usually the breakout is to the upside, and the breakout target will be around 1819 or $1,820. And the support for Ethereum is at 16. Let's check the lower time frame. I think this one I have here. So we have the support for Ethereum at 1638 up to 1660 for Ethereum. The breakout target will be $1820 for this bearish or down falling broadening wedge in the 1-hour time frame. Our RSI right now is in the overbought area, so expect a small correction. And in the daily time frame, we have our RSI also in the overbought area, and Ethereum has been consolidating on this top level here. Same with Bitcoin, guys. I've sent a newsletter for Bitcoin today. So let me open it. Where's Bitcoin? Where is Bitcoin? And also, if you're going to check the daily time frame, this is going to be exciting. We have two indecisive candle right now. Here, two indecisive candle. This means we are consolidating on top level, support and resistance, and also this is a indecisive candle. So it's still not sure if it's going up or going down, but also not only this is indecisive candle, this is also a reversal candle. So doji candle is indecisive candle as well as reversal candle. So we might see a correction from this level if Ethereum will not be able to break this resistance here, the major resistance. You are using RSI in default setting. Yeah, I'm using stochastic RSI, just default setting. So that's for Ethereum. Let's check Polkadot, or what do we have in the chart? We have ADA. Where's ADA? ADA. Yeah, so we have ADA here. This is one of the requests in the VIP Discord. One of the member requested for ADA chart. So right now, this was the previous resistance. These white lines will serve as support and resistances, as what you can see right now, ADA got rejected at around 0.55. I have sent a long position here, not a financial advice. This was a request in the VIP in Discord. So I have set a long position here at 0.51, and this was already up by almost 8.8% from our long position. Stop loss at 0.48. Let's check the risk to reward ratio. So almost 5% risk and reward is already around 8.8. So if you are in the VIP, or if you are the one who have requested for ADA, congratulations. And right now, this will serve as major resistance, guys. Let me just clean this chart. This will serve as a strong resistance for ADA here, this level. Resistance / we can consider this as a breakout point. 1 sec. Let me check the 4-hour time frame. So this has previously acted as a strong resistance for ADA here, this level, middle level. Not a breakout point. We consider this as a trend. So these are the levels for ADA right now. So we have a resistance. This is the 4-hour time frame, resistance at $0.54. If ADA manages to break this, the next resistance that I'm looking at will be at around 0.6 and 0.66 level. So this will be the levels that we need to watch out for ADA. We have a little support trend line here. So if ADA will pull back, this will be the pullback level for ADA. Also, we have some support here for quick trades. If you want to do scalping, we have these levels here as well. You can see some small supports along the way. If you're doing scalping like 1 to 2%, we have some supports and resistances along the way. So we have some support 1 here, support, and this support is in confluence with the support trend line. All right, so we'll check this. Time check is 10:27. Let's make this fast. So possible move for ADA, if this will get rejected here, the next support that you need to watch out is 0.5. If this will hold, you can set a long position here and a stop loss just below this candle wick if you want to do scalping. And if ADA manages to break above, you can expect price. Next target will be 0.61 for ADA. So possible price action. Possible price action for ADA will be, if this will be rejected here, maybe retest of support and then try to break out here, or this can revisit the previous support trend line. You can get a bounce from here. If ADA will continue and if our overall crypto market continues with the bullish trend. So that's the support and resistances for ADA. This will be the major support level here at 0.4. Let me just share this very quickly. ADA updated support and resistances. All right. So let's check. Next chart will be ADA link. Let's check link and then Polkadot, and then I'll check Dusk for a shot. Bitcoin is trading at 24,545 right now. Next chart is, we have ADA, we have link. All right, so let's check link. Link, where is link? Right, so here's link. Also we have the chart here already. So this was the previous request in the VIP, one of the members, long-term trade. This is a long-term trade. Buy zone is at 0.55, but don't FOMO because this has already pumped by more than 34% from the buy zone. So next resistances, trying to break out. Link right now is trying to break the resistance at $7.9. Let's check the lower time frame. Four-hour time frame is better. So we have resistance here. Link is currently trading above the resistance at 7.9. So if Link will continue to hold this level, we might see Link next target is at $9.5. So this will be the range that I am looking at for Link. This will be the next resistance. Some small resistance along the way, but overall this will be the next target here. If Link will be able to, this is actually the support here. Support. So this will be the range for Link. If Link will be able to break or hold this as a support, next target will be 9.5. If we can get a pullback, the next support for Link will be at 7.3. So if this will be rejected, this will be the support that you need to watch out. 7.3 level. Or if this breaks down, this will go back to $6. So that's for Link. Let's check Polkadot. Oh, what happened to Polkadot? We have our previous long position here, but this was a bullish pattern, guys. Descending, falling wedge is a bullish pattern, and I have set a long position here and a stop loss at around 6.8. Stop loss was hit, and this have revisited the previous support line here. Bounce back from the major support. Also, Polkadot is a little bit volatile, especially when Bitcoin is moving and Ethereum or Polkadot is affected by the moves of Bitcoin. So major support for Polkadot will be around 6.5, but we have crazy wicks here. Almost 10% until 5.9 or $6. But major support is what you can see. This will be the major support level. 1, 2, also this level here, and also this one here. So previous setup was a long position in the bottom of the falling wedge here. The risk is only 3%, so always manage your risk. This was stop loss was hit, but Polkadot was able to bounce back from the major support at $6.5. Let me make a new chart. So major support for Polkadot remains the same here. Right now, trying to break. Looks like a breakout on this level. We have the resistance here. Another one support. SKL chart looks interesting, seems to have reclaimed key daily support. Let's check the higher time frame first. So in the daily time frame, looks like Ethereum or Polkadot is already breaking the resistance at 8.35. So we have next resistance here. We have some traffic along the way. This was actually bounced from the resistance trend line. So what you can see, we have a breakout here, break of resistance trend line, and a retest of support. Retest of support here at around 6.6. The target, we have actually a bigger wedge. Didn't see this one. But the ideal target, guys, for Polkadot, ideally, let's just plot the major resistances. So we have some zone resistance at this point. Let's just consider this area here. So let's check if Polkadot will be able to break this resistance here. We have several trades along on this area at $9 or $9 up to 9.5. Ideally, the breakout target for this falling wedge here will be this one. Ideal breakout target for falling wedge. So guys, there will be resistances along the way, but based on this pattern in the daily time frame, ideal breakout target for the wedge. There will be corrections along the way. So if you want to trade futures or spot, the ideal target based on the technical analysis for a falling wedge will be the top of this wedge here, which is around $11.7. Resistances. All right, so last chart, good transmission live. So we'll check dusk for Rashad before we end the stream. Polkadot continues to pump, guys. Bitcoin currently trading at 24,533. So let's check dusk. We have several for dusk. Let's use this perpetual futures chart we have here. We have our short position, previous short here for dusk. So TP 1, 2, 3 already hit all the TP, guys, for the previous short. This was one of the requests in the VIP, or one of the trade setup in VIP. Is what you can see. We have our short position and our stop loss here, just a little bit of wick, but didn't hit the stop loss. And we have hit the TP 1, 2, 3, 4, and even hit until this level here. So let me clear the chart first. Support trend line, stop loss. We have previous long even here. So let me delete all of this. Let's move on to the let's check weekly first. Oh, this is about to break the weekly resistance, guys. This is going, dusk will go crazy if this resistance, if dusk will manage to break this resistance and turn it into a support, this level here. We have a small trend or support level, weekly support. We have some let me block this one guy here. Flooding the stream. Hide. Oh, fuck. Some bot flooding the stream. Weekly support. So weekly support for dusk will be around 0.1, and right now dusk is trying to break this weekly resistance, guys. Weekly resistance at 0. Let me label this weekly resistance. Weekly resistance. Let me share this one first. So weekly resistance, next resistance for the weekly time frame. We don't actually have a lot of trades here. Major resistance is very far. So in the weekly time frame, guys, for dusk, we don't have much resistance here. We don't have much trade after this weekly resistance. So dusk right now is trying to break this. Is what you can see in the chart. Dusk have tested this resistance several times, rejected, 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 and right now trying to attempt 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is the 9th attempt to break the weekly resistance at 0.15. So if dusk will be able to break this and turn this into a support, the next resistance in the weekly time frame will be 0.21, and that is still 30 or 40% from the current level. Let's check the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, similar, we have consolidation here. This is interesting because we have, how long have dusk consolidated on this level? Almost 80 days, guys. 369, almost 3 months in consolidation. Really does have major potential. It has. If, oh my goodness, if this breaks here, 80 days of consolidation, this is going to be strong breakout. If it if it breaks the resistance level at 0.15, and let's check the 1 hour time frame. So still, this is in an overall uptrend. Consolidating here for a long time. You see, trying to break, rejected, 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 and again, another attempt here. Another attempt to break the resistance. So another attempt to break the resistance here. Watch out for dusk, guys. This has a good potential. If dusk will be able to break this resistance and turn it into a support, this could be headed to a, we have some resistances here, small resistances along the way. But overall, in the weekly time frame, next weekly resistance, and we have some resistances along the way here. Resistance 1, 2. If rejected, however, we also have some supports along the way. So 2 possible price action. If rejected, right, let's see, let's check in the coming days. I think it's better to check this in the daily time frame. All right, so this will be for dusk. Consolidated for 80 days. 80 days of consolidation. Let's check in the coming days or in the coming hours if dusk will be able to break. Dusk consolidated for almost, not almost, it's 80 days of consolidation. Consolidated for 80 days. 9th attempt to break the weekly resistance at 0.152. 0.152. Possible upside move of %40. All right, so I think that's it for today. Time check, it's already 10:48. So thanks for joining me, guys. Thanks for joining me today. Always stay safe, trade safely. What about Doge? It's already 10:48, so I'm gonna end the stream right now. We have checked Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, Link, Polkadot, and Dusk for Rashad today. So thank you guys for joining me today. Appreciate your support. Trade safely, protect your asset at all times, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.